Sceptre monitors receive regular updates to improve performance and add new features. Understanding what these updates do and why they matter will help you get the most from your display. Firmware is the low-level software that controls your monitor's hardware functions. Think of it as the brain that manages everything from displaying images to processing colors and handling your input connections. There are two main types of updates for Sceptre monitors. Firmware updates modify the core software that runs your monitor, while settings updates adjust color profiles, presets, and feature configurations. Monitor updates affect several key components. The display controller manages image processing and color accuracy. The input and output systems handle connections to your computer. Power management controls energy efficiency, and the on-screen display interface manages your menu system. Regular updates provide significant benefits. Input lag can be reduced by up to 18 milliseconds, improving gaming responsiveness. Color accuracy improvements can reduce delta E values from over 3 to under 2, making colors more precise. Power efficiency can improve by up to 15%, reducing energy consumption. Color accuracy is particularly important for professional work and content creation. Updates can significantly improve how accurately your monitor displays colors, as shown in professional color test charts used for calibration. Modern Sceptre monitors use sophisticated update systems to deliver these improvements. The firmware management process ensures updates are delivered safely and efficiently, whether through USB drives or network connections, maintaining the reliability and performance of your display. Updating your Sceptre monitor firmware is a straightforward process that can improve performance and add new features. We'll walk through each step to ensure a successful update. First, you need to identify your exact monitor model and current firmware version. Check the label on the back of your monitor, or look in the OSD menu under System Information. Next, visit the official Sceptre support website to download the correct firmware file for your specific model. Never use firmware files from unofficial sources as they can damage your monitor. Prepare a USB flash drive by formatting it to FAT32 file system. Use a high-quality USB drive, preferably USB 3.0, and ensure it has enough space for the firmware file, typically 50 to 100 megabytes. Insert the USB drive with the firmware file into your monitor. Access the OSD menu using the menu button, navigate to System Settings, and look for the Firmware Update option. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. After the update completes, verify the new firmware version in the OSD menu. Test all monitor functions to ensure everything works properly. If you encounter issues, perform a factory reset, which resolves most compatibility problems. Remember these key points for a successful update. Always use official firmware files. Ensure your USB drive is formatted to FAT32. Never interrupt the update process. And perform a factory reset if you experience any issues after updating.